What's going on, guys? I want to talk to you today about the Prostormer 240 piece hand tool set. Comes in this nice hard plastic durable storage case. It's got 4 clasps holding the doors on, top and bottom. Open her up. It's packaged super nice. The compartments hold the tools very nice. They don't seem to fall out and rattle around. You got pretty much everything you need to tackle any job right here. You got needle nose pliers, regular pliers, 2 sizes of Phillips head screwdrivers, 2 sizes of flat. You got the multi-tool screwdriver with all the bits that you can imagine to fit in here, star bits, Allen key bits, multiple size Phillips, multiple size flats, pretty much anything you need. You got sockets with 1/4 drive, 3/8 drive, and 1/2 inch drive, adjustable wrench, extensions, hex keys, it looks like, Allen keys, and then you have your wrench set from 5/8 to 5/16 and 8 to 15, and then all the different size sockets here to fit those 3 different size drives. So like I said, pretty much everything you need to tackle any job right here in this kit. So if you're looking for an awesome all-around kit to tackle any job at the house or in the shop, definitely recommend checking this one out.